Microsoft Dynamics GP Data Repair Part 1.
Hello, my name is Andrew Karasev, and today I'd like to talk about data repair in Microsoft Dynamics GP, formerly known as Great Plains Dynamics.
In this demo we assume that you already tried data recovery in SQL Server. Here is the Microsoft Management Studio, and if you would like to recover to the specific moment of time, click on Timeline and then switch to specific date and time and change here. First thing to try is check links. Assuming that you have fresh backup, so you can restore up to now, go to Microsoft Dynamics GP Maintenance, check links. Let's assume that you have issue with purchasing payable management tables. And let's assume that these are history files. Whatever was posted and applied already, so they go to history automatically. Check links, it actually looks at the tables cluster as a whole, and it tries to validate each record one by one, and if possible to create missing records or repair the ones which are not there. Let's click OK. Let's print the report. Okay, in our case, no errors found. In your case, you may have errors or warnings in the report.
Okay, so if you are not happy with the checklinks results, or if you could not restore from the SQL database backup up to the specific moment of time, then before you go to the next level of data repair, be sure that you know what you're doing and that you do not plan to come through the learning curve from the live production database. So it's rather for professional consultants or for people who are familiar with ERP diagram and architecture in general. Then you can try it. First, we would recommend you to create like a test company and then try the fix on the test company prior to do the production fix. Okay, let's go to the next step.
Tables diagram could be reviewed in a Software Development Kit SDK. Let's take a look at payable management, for example. Here's the structure of tables. Of course, they are too small to see in the video, but you can print this diagram to the large piece of paper. There is another way to review table structure, and it is in client interface. Microsoft Dynamics GP Tools, Resource Description, Tables. Now let's select the product, in this case core product, Dynamics GP, switch tables to purchasing, view by physical name, and here's the table, apply, open, open. And let's take a look at the keys. Let's see additional information. And if you need the complete information about your tables, you can review it in Dexterity. I'll show you interface for table definition, and then you can pick up the key, and then you can see the information about key. For example, this key does not allow duplicates, it's primary key. And this key allows duplicates and is modifiable in Pervasive SQL for obsolete databases. Let's now assume that you have data corruption in payable management history files. This is the header for the payable invoice, for example, and this is the apply to from, let's say, payments to this invoice. If transaction or invoice is completely applied or current transaction amount is 0, then it goes to history automatically. Let's take a look in SQL queries. If we have something went to history where current transaction amount of the table header, invoice header or payable management header, to say in general, is not 0. And let's link it with apply from documents. This is the link, and this is the condition, and we have to group because we will summarize, as you can apply payments from several documents to one, let's say, invoice. Here's the query, and let's try to execute this query. And we got one document where current transaction amount is not 0, and summary applied seems to be applied to this document. So this is the candidate for data repair, and I think what we need to do, we need to make this current transaction amount to be 0. This is probably not your case, but this is the example how you find the table, how you identify the record that is corrupt, and how you repair.
If you have questions, feel free to call us or email us. I'll put the email and phone number in the description for this short video. Thank you for watching.